The United States Navy is constantly seeking technological advancements to maintain its maritime superiority. One such innovation is the Helios Laser Weapon System, developed by Lockheed Martin. Helios stands for High Energy Laser and Integrated Optical-dazzler with surveillance and tracking. This system represents a significant leap in naval warfare technology, offering a range of capabilities that enhance ship defense and offensive power. Helios is a high-energy laser weapon designed to disable or destroy enemy threats. It is more than just a powerful laser. It incorporates a sophisticated surveillance and targeting system, making it a game-changer in modern naval warfare. The system's development is a testament to the Navy's commitment to staying ahead in an increasingly complex and challenging security environment. The development of directed energy weapons like Helios has been a long-standing goal for the military. Lasers offer several advantages over traditional kinetic weapons, including speed of light engagement, deep magazines, and low cost per shot. Helios leverages these advantages to provide the Navy with a powerful and versatile new tool for maritime dominance. At the heart of the Helios system is its high-energy laser. This laser generates a concentrated beam with scalable power. It targets drones, boats, and anti-ship missiles. The laser burns through targets using thermal destruction. Helios also features an optical-dazzler. It disrupts enemy sensors non-lethally. Advanced sensors enhance Helios's capabilities. Helios is designed for ship-based deployment on Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers, integrating with the Aegis combat system. These destroyers are the backbone of the US Navy's surface fleet. Helios leverages existing sensors and combat systems, enhancing situational awareness and coordinated engagements. Its compact footprint allows integration into various platforms, increasing versatility and operational flexibility. Helios is cost-effective, using electricity instead of expensive munitions. This makes it ideal for countering a wide range of threats. The Helios Laser Weapon System represents a significant advancement in naval warfare technology. Its high-energy laser, integrated optical-dazzler, and advanced surveillance and targeting system offer the US Navy an unprecedented combination of offensive and defensive capabilities. The system's ability to engage a wide range of threats, from small drones to anti-ship missiles, makes it a versatile and valuable asset in the evolving maritime domain. Helios's deployment on Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers marks a turning point in naval warfare, ushering in a new era of directed energy weapons. These weapons offer significant advantages over traditional kinetic weapons, including speed of light engagement, deep magazines, and low cost per shot. The system's flexibility, endurance, and cost-effectiveness make it a game-changer in modern naval warfare. As the maritime domain becomes increasingly contested, Helios will play a critical role in ensuring the US Navy's continued dominance at sea. Furthermore, the development and deployment of Helios serve as a deterrent to potential adversaries, underscoring the US commitment to maintaining its technological edge and its resolve in safeguarding its interests on the high seas.